We are live. What is up to everybody watching after the fact? If you're watching after the fact, make sure you drop a subscribe, like, all that BS. But we are live right now. Hold on. Gotta do some stuff. Let's see who's joining first. Lucas, DJ, Nicholas, Greg, what's up? Rhino, Abdul, Amber, chat going crazy. Are y'all looking at that chart right there? At the Bitcoin 40,000? Did we just put in a new bottom? I'm not sure. Hold on. I gotta do one thing and we'll get to it. Welcome. What is up to everybody? Gold Squad. Shout out to the Gold Squad. Have no fear. Facts. We are fearless. We're fearless. Look at the chat. Y'all are going crazy in the chat. But what is up, everyone? We just started, so this is going to be a good live stream. Anybody sending... Damn, this song is dope. This is like some samurai song. Okay, let's get into it, though. Look at BTC. Somebody says the bottom is there. Honey Badgers, let's go. Okay, I need to send out my little, Damn, this song is good. I just have like a lo-fi playlist. That song is good. I like that. Who likes the song? Somebody said they're feeling bullish. Man, I'm always bullish on crypto. Hold on. Let's send out this notification so the Telegram group can get the goods going. Crypto crashing live stream on YouTube. We haven't been live on YouTube in a long time, folks. I've been meaning to do more YouTube lives. But sentiment is at an all-time low. Look at this. Dude, just look at this. The bottom is in at 20K. Dude, 20K would be a lot of percent. Let me see. So from the top of this entire cycle, possibly, right? Let's see. 20K would be that would be a 70% crash. So actually you're like kind of spot on there. If we did go, I don't think we would break through 20K. Like, what do you guys think? Like, I don't think we would ever break through 20K. If we do break through 20K, you need to be worried about what's actually going on with Bitcoin. Like, I'm serious. Like, let's go look at Bitcoin dominance here. You need to be concerned about what's going on with that. If we see, Bitcoin dominance is going up, right? We ticked up a little bit now, which that looks real bad. But I saw on Twitter, I think Brian said it. If Bitcoin breaks 30K, you know, that's going to be destruction for altcoins. Like, altcoins are going to get destructed. Quant is going to flip Bitcoin. You have to be Johnny5 to read all these comments. Yeah, it's not possible. But if you are a channel member, I see your comment more easily. 30K is absolute bottom. I agree right now. Bitcoin is cabal. Dawn, hello. Look at this. So whoever said 20K for BTC, you would be sitting at a 70% loss, which I don't think there's such a thing as 90%, 80% crashes in this anymore. Like, truly. Like, if we go, let's go on the 1 hour. And man, look at this. Like, we really just, like, look at what we just did. We did like a roller coaster here. Like the ending of a roller coaster, just dumping into new ranges, like continuously. It does not look good to me, bro. Somebody saying goodbye Bitcoin. Yo, for real, if this thing goes, like, I think the market's gonna leave this behind, man. None of this matters. I'm holding my positions for 2025. I like that. Yeah, let's check out what the altcoins are doing. Okay. Gnosis is still holding up a little bit. But basically Bitcoin is, look at Bitcoin. Oh, dang, Ethereum as well. But all of these are like losing percentages right now. Where's my Bitcoin cheat sheet? That is in the Telegram. Hold on. That would be a good thing to look at right now. Where's the Bitcoin cheat sheet? I don't think I can. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Hold on. Can I like open this? I don't know if I can open that. Okay, just move this over. Look at this. This is what we've got. Bitcoin dominance is going up and Bitcoin is going down, which means altcoins dump, right? This is the chart you need to look at right now. Take a look at this chart, folks. Take a look at this chart and really just take this in. This is the easiest Bitcoin dominance versus Bitcoin versus altcoins cheat sheet, okay? I posted this in my Telegram, right? So take a look. When Bitcoin dominance is going up and Bitcoin is going up, the alts are going down. But right now, what do we have? Well, I just showed you Bitcoin dominance has actually started going up here. So this was like January 5, we ticked up a little bit, and then I remember we were just chilling around this 39. But now we've went back. It's not much. Like, don't get me wrong, it's not much. It's 1.41%, which matters in terms of Bitcoin dominance, right? The point of this is that Bitcoin dominance is increasing right now while Bitcoin is dumping, okay? So what does that equal? We just saw it on here. When Bitcoin dominance is going up, Bitcoin's going down, it equals altcoins dumping. What is actually happening right now? Well, go look. Dang, why is CoinMarketCap not loading? Look at all of these are losing percent. I bet we're on a full red altcoins. Definitely a full red. Oh yeah, full red. You shouldn't be in this to where it destroys your life. Yeah. If you're like really sad about this or something or emotional about everything dumping, you're overinvested, right? You're overinvested. 40K is the key level. Yes, 40K is the key level. You're right. 40K is a very key level. Okay, we put in, let me see something. 40, oh yeah, we really did. Today we put in another new bottom on here. Look. 40K 535, which on January 7 we put in 40,670. This does not look good. Somebody say get your refund El Salvador. I like that. Yo, El Salvador is about to lose half their money on this. El Salvador, let's go to Kobe. I love looking at Twitter when this is happening, by the way. Let's look at what people are saying. Crypto Manron says the bounce will be epic. The bounce will be epic? Okay. Hopefully it will. I'm hoping for a short squeeze. Like, what if we actually get a short squeeze right here? Everybody thinking we're actually going to dump below 40K, shorting Bitcoin, and we just quickly just sharp pump up. But let me go to Kobe and show you El Salvador's buys. Man, he posts a lot. Hold on. El Salvador's buys. Let me see. This guy posts a lot. Are we even gonna able to? Oh yeah, right here. They bought. Look at where El Salvador has bought. $46,700 Bitcoin. 46,000. Their highest buy is 54,000, and their lowest entry is 43,000. So they're literally negative on all of their Bitcoin purchases. Okay. Why are you even dealing with Bitcoin anymore? Like, I'm serious. Like, if you have a huge stack of Bitcoin, I'm telling you, it should be in Ethereum. Let's go check out the Ethereum chart, though. Let's go check out the Ethereum chart. By the way, welcome to everybody in here. Make sure you smash the like button as well. I hate to ask for that. I'm trying to stop doing that, to be honest, but it helps it out. I appreciate it. Something very bad is coming. I feel it. I bet they buy more today. Oh, I bet they buy more today. I bet they just did. Let's check. Did El Salvador buy the dip yet? Let's see. I'm going to tweet that. Did El Salvador buy the dip yet? Boom. Tweet that out. Look at Twitter Blue. I have time to undo this tweet. You see that? I bought Twitter Blue, so I have time. I have to click send now, though. But Twitter's pretty funny right now. Everybody freaking out. This Bitcoin fear and greed index is literally the lowest since July now. Okay, well, we're matching July now. So what happened after July hit 10 though? Because we hit 10 multiple times here. You guys see this chart? Look, we hit 10 multiple times. So are we in this period again here? That would suck. Because the first time we hit 10 was the 24th of May. Or is it the last time we hit 10? You see what I'm saying? Like this whole period right here. You can clearly see there's a very fear-based period here. Okay? It looks like we just moved into that. I mean, we had some 16s here. I don't know. I don't know how much we should actually value this indicator in terms of like watching the actual numbers. We are ready for the bounce. Absolutely. You sold your left ball to buy the dip. Okay. Carlos Weiland in the chat. Carlos Weiland in the chat. Like it or not, y'all just became long-term investors. That's funny. This is crazy, though. Look at Ethereum. Let's go on Heiken SE because it's way better. Look at Ethereum. 2,800. What are y'all thinking? Are we going to go back to here? 2,800? I think a lot of people are going to be picking up, buying Ethereum at 2,800. Like, what do you guys think? Buying Ethereum at 2,800? Oh, we got a yellow X on there. Hey, Mason, you see we're on the 7th red day in a row for Bitcoin. It's the first time ever. Yo, that's great. Or not great, but that's a great insight. 7th red day in a row for BTC. ETH looks like it's forming a bullish, expanding wedge. What do you think of Nexus? Is that Nexus is the Bank of International Settlement? Does it look like Wyckoff accumulation? Yes, there's been a lot of like I've probably heard Wyckoff a million times in 2021, and now it's carrying over into 2022. But I mean, I haven't studied it too much, but apparently it looks like it. Apparently it looks like it. Would you get to a point where you would sell everything? No, I don't think so. I don't think I would ever get to a point. Look at Flux. Let's see if is Flux pumping though. Let's see Flux. Oh yeah, Flux had some good candles today at least, right? Couple good candles here. That's nice. I like that. I like the Flux. Wow. Yeah, but this is about to get wrecked. If altcoins go under, I mean, if Bitcoin goes under 40K, like, it's about to be weird, man. Hey, bud, have you got any info on the INX token? No. INX, I'm, as you know, or maybe you don't know, Canadian investors got kicked out of INX. They got kicked out of INX, so I no longer pay attention to it, and I no longer talk about it. But so I have no info. You can check the security token. You can check the market at stomarket.com. Right? If you guys are into security tokens, you can check. This is the coin market cap of security tokens right here. So INX is Bitcoin, the Bitcoin of security tokens, just like I was telling everybody it was going to be, right? It has the biggest market cap. It's $2, so you doubled your investment if you got in at the pre-sale or whatever that was called. You've already doubled your money. I think it's a long-term hold, INX, and then you got Overstock, Blockchain Capital. Exodus is one I would definitely invest in. No financial advice, but they kicked us out. What's up with Blockchain Boy and you? Absolutely nothing. That is your projection. That is other people's projection. I love Blockchain Boy, and we have mutual respect for each other. We were even business partners at one point. When will you be around around the blockchain? No idea. What's the indicator? Which indicator? Which indicator? What I did see just now on Ethereum, though, is we got a yellow X. We printed a yellow X on the daily on January 5. That makes me feel like this is really going to just bounce. That makes me feel like this is really going to bounce. Let's see if I'm right. You guys want to hold me to that? You guys want to hold me to that one? Hold on. I need Market Cipher. I need Market Cipher B on here. Gives me more insight. That makes me think this is going to hit this 2,800 at the lowest and bounce fast. That makes me think, man. The trading view indicator lines. Can you explain like I'm 5? So what we're seeing here. Okay. So there's so much it's hard to explain. Like you need to tell me like what you need to exactly know. What does reserve rights do? I believe reserve rights is a I believe reserve rights is like a yeah, it's a hold on. I actually forget what reserve rights even does. I feel like it's something to do with like reserve-backed stablecoins. Right? Reserve rights dual token stablecoin platform. Yeah, stablecoin platform. They did an IEO. Interesting. An initial exchange offering. That's very interesting. Check Twitter from BCB. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? There ain't nothing here. There ain't nothing there. Next wave down coming soon. Put my ETH into quant. You think Bitcoin will crash once the maker is known? Oh, I think it might. I mean, I don't think the maker is going to become known. Like, they're already trying with Craig Wright. Craig Wright's already trying to be, he's already trying to be Satoshi there. But honestly, like, I don't think, on a mainstream level, I don't think Satoshi being anonymous actually helps Bitcoin whatsoever. Because there's a whole generation that will never trust something that has no creator named, like an anonymous creator. There's like a whole generation. And I know it firsthand because I talked to that generation. What does it mean, the yellow X? The yellow X means whale manipulation. Usually what happens with the yellow X is that you dump in the short term and you come up fast. Okay? As you can see, that happened right here. This is a 12-hour. Do you see that? You see this? This yellow X printed right here, and then we had a whole day, so 24 hours of dumping. And then once that 24 hours of dumping was over, we started shooting back up. Right? Also, over here. Actually, that's kind of messy over there. Let's see. This was a pretty bad one because we had 2 yellow X's, but don't just base it on the yellow X's, right? But when you get a yellow X on the daily on Ethereum, it's more significant, right? Am I concerned about the regulations that are coming and how you're going to play with it? Yes, I am. Definitely concerned about upcoming regulations. They said, actually, this could really spiral into something bad, folks. Like, I want to just give you a warning here. Like, the first couple months of 2022 might be terrible. Like, I don't know. Because you had that, you had Biden about to come for crypto brokers. Like, they were going to, man, what was the wording? They're about to clarify who is a crypto broker and who is not. So that could screw with a bunch of exchanges that haven't done proper registration. It's very, very many good reasons why the market would go down. Yes, there is. There's plenty. There's plenty of bad reasons why the market would go down. But dude, what you got to realize is I'm long-term bullish forever. Like, if you just want to kill all of this, just go to the weekly chart. Or just go to the actual Bitcoin macro chart, put it on log scale, and look at this. This is the Bitcoin chart. Like, just look. This is the Bitcoin chart of all time. Like, from the start of Bitcoin to the end of Bitcoin. That's what the chart looks like. That. What does this say? That just says up. Okay? This just says up. This just says, oh, wow, up, down, up, right, down, bear market, up. That's what this chart says. So if you're feeling any type of doubt on the long term, you do not need to feel that. Just take a look at this chart. Also, just go to the XRP chart as well. Bitstamp has the most data. This one actually looks very interesting because look at this. We pumped to 4 cents and that was like a huge bull run right there. Are these bad next few months good for accumulating though? Yes, you should definitely be accumulating on these next couple months. Why do I talk like Michael Saylor? I buy XRP, XLM, HBAR. Terrible for altcoins. What I would say is if Bitcoin like can't hold 40K, like what are we at right now? Like if we can't hold 40K, it's like so, I don't know. I'm just bullish on everything but Bitcoin kind of. Let me see what people are saying here. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is going to be negative today. Yeah, look at this. I wouldn't be surprised if we update in 3 hours and we're sitting at like a 7. And we make a new record. Because that would be a new record. We've never got below. Let's see. I think the lowest is right here. I can't even get to the lowest. 5. On August 22 of 2019. Take a look at my screen. August 22 of 2019, we were sitting at a 5 on the we're sitting at a 5 on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Are you kidding me? What happened on August 22, 2019? What happened on August 22, 2019? Let me see. Where's August? Where's August? September, right here. So August 22, there was nothing even happening. What is this? This is, okay, let's go on the daily. Let me see what actually happened on that day. What happened on the day of August 22? Oh, I guess, no, this is valid. On the day, we had a 3% candle. We had a 3% candle, but the overall, this was correct to be this scared. Because look at this. We just absolutely tanked, right? August 22, 2019, we were at $11,000. And by the end of September, we were down at 7,000, then 6,000. That was valid to be that scared. So I wouldn't be surprised if we actually go below 10. Where are you staking Fuse Network? I'm actually not staking. Martha, thank you so much for the super chat there, Martha. Both of your super chats. Appreciate that a lot. Am I still coming to Miami this month to the Bitcoin conference? Yes. Yes. Yes, the North American Bitcoin conference. This one is in January, right? I'm still going to this one, and I'll go to the big one as well. This one is coming, though. What's my take on AI projects? 100%. You're going to do well with AI projects. You're going to do well long term on AI projects. Bitcoin to 38,000 and ETH to 28,000 before we see a bounce. 38,000? You think 38,000, man? I have this one. I think, yeah. Gio Gonzalez, appreciate you for the super chat there. I overinvested. Should I sell before I lose more money? Oh my goodness, bro. That solely depends on you. Do you believe in crypto? That is it. Do you believe in crypto? Ends there. Do you believe long-term in crypto? And are you broke in real life? Because if you're broke in real life, you need that money. You can't be... Oh, if you're overinvested and like not doing well financially in real life, then dude, you better consider cutting your losses then. Ryan Colwell, I appreciate you. You said, if you can't buy the dip, don't buy the chips. Yo, I like that. Ryan Colwell, all caps. If you can't buy the dip, don't buy the chips, bro. I like that. So you buying the dip? Let's see if, how did my tweet, what are people saying on my tweet? Did El Salvador buy the dip yet? They're using the people's money. They're still buying. Oh my. Carlos Herman, I appreciate you. You are green, bro. I am green? I am green? Martha Batrick, thank you again. Yes, make sure to smash that like button. Stock market predicted to crash 70%. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding? Let's see. In 2021, we wicked down the 0.618 3 times. We are wicking down 3 times again. Okay, JD is always bullish, though. I need to look at what the bears are saying. Martha, thank you again. Martha spreading the love today. Wow. Wow. Look at this. I need Market Cipher B. I feel naked without Market Cipher B. Yeah, this looks good though. It might be the end of this momentum to the downside. Like we might be evening out. Cuz this wave is clearly coming down here. This wave is clearly coming down here, but that money flow is still thick on this is the 4 hour, by the way. Money flow is still thick. Head and shoulders on the day for Bitcoin. Head and shoulders on the day for Bitcoin. Yeah. Wow. Oh my. You think so? That's interesting. I don't know. GZ1, thank you. Look at the, are you doing the Bitcoin events recap video for us? What does that mean? Like a conference, like recap? Look at the 22-minute. I don't want to look at anything too small right now, time frame wise. But this just looks, look, dump into the new range, dump into another one. Just continuously breaking supports. 22-minute looks good. This is coming up. 22-minute looks real good. 22-minute looks real good. Maybe we go and touch 41,004 right here. See, you could have actually, like, I don't know. Our movie, you said, could you check the white paper of Shubarai? Shubarai. I got you. Shiburai. I already hate the name. I'm sorry. Shibu Rai. Okay. We'll check it out at the end of the stream. I'm sorry. Jeffrey Epstein was found dead a week. Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah, that might consider. You think ETH will continue growing? Why 22-minute? Some people say that whales trade on the 22-minute chart. I've heard that multiple times from a couple different people. Am I still coming to Miami this month for the conference? Yes. What do you think of Time Wonderland? Nothingness. Focus on other things than Ohm forks. Let me check the Time Wonderland chart. Are you still downtrending? Are you still going down here? Oh, no, I think it actually... 2,200? Let's see. Nope. Oh, it did bounce a little bit, but the 3 months still looks absolutely, absolutely crazy here. As soon as this is when it caught buzz. This is when it caught buzz. Everyone starts staking, and then the price goes down to rebalance out. I don't know. It just makes sense to me that it's not what you think it is here. Your APY is probably evening out to like 60% in truth. Will HBAR go to $10 eventually? Yes, I believe so. Merchant token, no thank you. You think ETH will continue growing? It's having many problems and there are better alternatives. That is like the biggest question ever, man. That's a question I contemplate every day. Because I'm so confident like that ETH is the absolute one to just bring this whole thing forward. Yeah. I'm pretty confident ETH is going to bring this whole thing forward. But yeah, you're right. There is better alternatives to Ethereum, and if they don't hurry up and actually get stuff done, then it's going to be a hard ride for Ethereum. I've already seen many people migrating to other platforms, like other coins. GZ, you said any microcap tokens? No, not right now, really. Ciarton, thank you. Any microcap tokens? No. I'm not really into any microcaps, man. I don't know. I just... Saitama, why do people continuously ask about this coin, man? It's literally horrendous. It's horrendous. Why do people continuously... You guys probably all bought right here. That's why. Like, I see this every time without fail. Like, what is this? Like, look at this. Just a stacked website menu with, like, so much stuff. It's just nothingness, bro. It's just nothingness. It's just get more hype, right? That's it. Get more hype. Am I bullish on Polkadot? Not really. Not really. Let's see. What are people saying on here? Bitcoin knife catchers getting screwed trying to time the bottom. Those waiting for confirmation are just chilling and enjoying being stress-free. Man. $22-minute, look. Coming up. This also looks real good. 10-minute looks real good too. Doesn't really matter though. It's about what's going to happen at the end of today. Also, we need a good weekly close here. We need a good weekly close. Elon called the top at 69K with a meme. It's not really valid. I mean, everyone posted memes about $69,000 Bitcoin. Basically, everyone posted memes about that. Will Algorand or HBAR run the world? They will run the world together. Lucas Knight, thank you. You said API 3. Hell yes. Hell yes. I have been told about API 3 a long time ago. And I checked it out, and it's great. It looks absolutely great. Competitor to Link, right? Ulus Perez, sorry I probably butchered your name. Do you think Web3 will follow the same path in the red? What do you mean in the red? Like the coins will go red? I mean, the Web3 coins are probably going red already. Basically everything is, right? Wow, 1.91 trillion. We're about to drop below 1.9. You invested your life savings. Should you sell? Oh my goodness, man. That better be trolling. Yeah, everything is down, dude. Everything is down. So I hope you... Like, we were taking profit. Like, we were taking profit up here. And up here. Right? And up here. Go back to the videos. Go back to the videos. We were in there in November. Like, up here. And that was the whole thing. I'm like, dude, you better be taking at least some profit. You better be taking at least some profit. So, this was sort of expected. Obviously, in the macro, it's impossible to predict. Like, Blockchain Boy criticized HBAR and Quant. What do you think about that? I don't think anything about that. I couldn't care less. Couldn't care less. If you're in a panic now, then you shouldn't have invested. Are you still bullish? Dude, I'm perma bullish on this market, man. I'm perma bullish, but obviously I'm pretty dang bearish on Bitcoin. right now. Because this is we've been in an extremely bearish, just basic, this is a bear market, right? You can call it that. This is a bear market for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You seem to have a love for black logo cryptos. That's true. I've noticed that when I do my thumbnails. But that's just because they're professional logos. They're professional. Like, Shiba Inu is not a professional logo. I'm looking for the next Apple. Like, you guys got to know that. I'm looking for the next Apple, Google, Microsoft here. That's what I'm actually doing, because that's what we're going to have. You think Apple's going to run the world forever? How long has it been since you've been genuinely excited that an iPhone is dropping? Let's get serious here. How long has it been since you're actually like super duper excited that the new iPhone is dropping? Did I hear the new weekend? Yes. If you're following me on Instagram, which you should be, give a quick plug for my Instagram right here. If you're not following on Instagram, go follow. I talked about it on my story. I felt that I needed to talk about it on my story. So that you follow there and you'll get my updates on music. Hell yeah. Bear market or super cycle? Let's answer this. What do you guys think? Bear market or super cycle from Crypto Finally right here. Crypto Finally. Crypto Finally followed me back as well. These people are crazy. What are we thinking? I'm thinking too hard. I think that's a great one. Super cycle? Super cycle? Super cycle? I hope it's a super cycle. I mean, it, like, you can say it's a bearish, it is a bear market on the daily. Like, we're just continuously going down, right? We've continuously go down. Like, this double top thing, it was a double top, basically, right? And David Schwartz called it. David Schwartz called it, right? He wore his what's that guy? Marshmallow hat, where it's like the white hat with the X's for the eyes with the smile, right? And Mr. Poole was talking about this for any XRP people. They called it. Absolutely called it. Double top. Right? And I was arguing, I was one of the people arguing that that it's not a double top because the second top is higher, but that is totally invalid. That's totally invalid. Ryan Caldwell, thank you. You said, can you check out Sin? Yes, we got you at the end of the stream. If you can't make it to the end of the stream, just watch the playback and you'll see it. We'll check Sin. Carter D, you said, why is the market crashing? What's the cause? It started happening last week, but I have not seen a YouTube video explaining why. Okay, so I did do a YouTube video explaining why. There's many catalysts. The Fed is raising rates earlier than we thought, right? Earlier than we thought. Also, you had the Kazakhstan big energy thing going on. They shut down the internet. There was big protests. It's still happening, I believe. That affected it a little bit. And there's been multiple catalysts for this, and Bitcoin has just been trying to weather the storm here. New World Disorder. I like that name. Blockchain Backer was right. Bitcoin bear market and altcoin season. I mean, yeah, it is a pretty bearish market right now. This was also a pretty bearish market until we pumped back up to 69K, right? Like, people were really also calling for a bear market on this. You got to realize that. Right here. People were also calling bear market here. And what happened, we went up for what they would argue is we went up for the double top. And double top is a bearish formation, you know? Moon cycles in the market. Hello. Do you think HBAR is a smart investment right now? Let's check out HBAR. How's it doing on my one target of 22 cents? Let's see. Or what are we at? Oh, wow. We're at 25 still. 25 still in a downtrend right now on the 6 hour at least. Looks pretty bad on Market Cypher. 6 hour compared to the 1 hour. 1 hour also looks pretty bad. Yeah, 1 hour looks pretty bad. This is why I'm thinking we're hitting this trend line that's been being made for the start of this year. Like, this is January of this year. One touch, basically touched on that wick, basically touched on that wick, touched on that wick, touched. So I drew the trend line from the wicks, right? You have to choose these things when you're doing charts. You have to choose, are you drawing your trend line from the wicks or from the body of the candle? Are you counting? Because wicks are basically just an expression of volatility, right? That's all wicks really are. If you really think about it, wicks like kind of don't matter. It does show like pressure and shows, you know, like right here, you could have seen we wicked all the way down to 21. You could have seen that there's a lot of selling, like people wanting to sell that. So if the bulls can't push this up, it continues to go down, and it did continue to go down. And in fact, it continued to go down exactly where they wanted it to, right? So candlestick analysis is decent for this, but wicks are honestly just an expression of how volatile this market is. It's almost like not even, I don't know how I feel about wicks, man. And if you don't know what wicks are, it's just these lines that come out of these candles, right? It looks like a candle. Like, all of this stuff is so literal. Like, look at how a candle looks. You see how a candle looks? See, candles look like this. If you didn't know, this is what a candle looks like. So it has the body, and it has a flame coming out. So this is what that is, if you don't know. Because I know there's a lot of beginners that watch, and it's hard to balance the advanced talk or the more advanced talk with the beginner talk. But I love to do it. I love to do it. Is it good? Is it a good buy for Fuse right now? Let's check. I bought basically the top of Fuse, unfortunately. Let's see. Look at this big money explosion recently. This is at $1 now. Wait, is this real? It's at exactly $1? Wow, yeah, this is a good time to buy Fuse. Fuse is just an undervalued layer 1, in my opinion. Undervalued layer 1. So you should be just stacking this. Just think of it like stacking Terra Luna early. Or one of those. Get stables and watch. Imagine being a whale hodling for like 14 years and this is all just natural to you now. Yeah, that's what we want to reach. Are you shorting anything right now? No. WAD's pay is mediocre, in my opinion. It is connected to XDC, but how powerful really is an XDC connection? But it's pretty good. Pi is garbage. Pi is garbage. Come back to me when Pi is listed on an actual exchange. How about that? Yes, this is Wizard Hat. This is Wizard Hat formation. Why is there like no data? Like Fuse is like not even on like good exchanges. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is a Wizard Hat. So maybe we create a new support. Basically, it would be right at this wick. Right? Boom. Now, how do you actually gauge how far it goes down? Right? It should be halfway up this. Halfway is about here. So it's already doing it. So let me just draw that and see if we can test the Wizard Hat, because it's a pretty informal and not professional way of doing this. But let me just see. Like if we draw this, let's see what happens. Let me draw it better. Like let's see if it actually makes a support here. So we'll draw the Wizard Hat. Are you forbidden from looking at the XRP chart? Not at all. Once again, if the Freemasons or the Illuminati ever reach out to me, I will tell you guys. Yeah. So there you go. Look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. 75. We're still battling. Actually, we've broken that support now. That's broken, dude. Market Cipher looks real good, though, in terms of the momentum. Money flow is horrendous. Yeah, this... XRP is most likely just going to follow Bitcoin, man. My views on Hex and Pulse, they're great. Or they're not great, but they're just... I just don't deal with them, dude. I don't have an opinion on them. I love Richard Hart. I don't have an opinion on the projects. Do whatever you want. Go talk to your fellow Hexicans. You don't need me to talk about it. Go talk to the fellow Hexicans. I don't have thoughts on it. Can we call you the Freemason? Hell no. If XRP keeps falling... Let's see where this could fall to is right here. 50 cents. But I don't think that's even possible, really. That's more like it, actually, right there. Yeah. 70 cents bottom. XRP. But this has been a great live stream. I just wanted to get on here for... I just wanted to get on here for this crash because people are, like, freaking out. Man, we got to give Crypto Whale his respects, really. Or Mr. Whale. Got to really give the respects, to be honest. These people called the double top. What I hope happens, though, is that we just completely surprise them in 2022. I want Bitcoin to completely surprise everybody in 2022. Julian, thank you. Appreciate that. You could stop spamming. Thank you, though. Nano does have a bright future for sure. Nano is great. Nano's great. Okay, let's check out some of these coins that we were requested. Shiburai. I'm definitely not going to like this. I'm sorry. Shiburai. I think this is here. Shiba Samurai. Rank 8,787. Tiny supply. Basically already rug pulled. I don't know what this is. Definitely a rug pull. Let's see. Website doesn't even load. Give it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope, sorry. Check this. This looks terrible. They didn't even bought the holders up. Maybe they did, but they went cheap on it. Garbage, man. I'm sorry. Absolute garbage, bro. I'm very sorry. Now, Sin, I think you're referring to Synapse. I think with Sin, you're referring to Synapse, right? Not SynLev or Sin City or Synthetics. I think you're referring to this one. I did check this one out, I think. Arbitrum is from Arbitrum Ecosystem. Yeah, I looked at this. It's like a bridge, yeah. I looked at this. This one looks decent, man. Launchpad that wants to civilize the fundraising process. DeFi platform, a multi-chain DEX, and a VC fund. Yeah, it's just the standard stuff. Oh, Sin City? Sin City, really? Okay. Well, Synapse is good, too. I looked at this before. Sin City. Oh, it's an ICO. What the heck is... Oh, I think I heard of this, actually. I swear I heard of this. Man, what's up with this website, though? Sin City, Sin launched auction. Oh, Justin Kahn is there. Really? Is that real? Yeah, this looks good too, man. What is this, though? If Justin Kahn's there, it's pretty good. First ever Mafia Metaverse? That is dope AF, man. That is dope. Is this like GTA for the Metaverse? Mafia Metaverse. Yeah, this is solid, dude. Sin City is a game. Yeah, this is solid. This is solid. Did you get in the ICO of this? I can't believe people are still ICOing. They got staking, governance, marketplace coming soon. Yeah, there's not much on here, but this looks good, dude. Looks cool, man. All right, we're going to wrap it up, though. Thank you all for watching. Once again, make sure you follow me on Twitter, right? There's my username. Follow my Instagram as well. And Bitcoin, we just got to keep watching this thing. Watch that 40K level. if we actually like break into the 39,000, you gotta really think about what's going on here. Maybe I'll be live on TikTok. Once again, if you want to come meet me and chill and have a dope Bitcoin conference, get your tickets for the Bitcoin conference. Use code Mason10 as well. Make sure you join the Telegram group as well. Keep watching that Bitcoin. Bitcoin's controlling that whole market, we know, right? Watch out. Obviously, we did take profits. If you're just getting in now, don't feel down about what you're doing. Just keep freaking learning. Learn everything. Just learn, absorb knowledge, right? Most of us, the heavy profit taking was up here. Okay, now we have to really deal with this accumulation phase, man. So don't be stacking Bitcoin, though. I don't think you should stack Bitcoins. Stack it on Ethereum, stack XRP, HBAR, Quant, right? Phantom, Terra, all of the just strong, solid coins. Interoperability is going to be massive in 2022. We just had the JP Morgan people say that it's time for the blockchain bridge. Vitalik has been talking about multi-chain, all of that. Somebody says you didn't believe in TA in the early days. What changed your mind? There was never a day that I didn't believe in TA. It has worked for hundreds of years. I know the history of it. It was more of just, that wasn't my thing. But now I realize it's one of the final puzzle pieces to actually being a jack of all trades in this thing, in this game. So there was never a moment I didn't believe in it. I wasn't doing it. I wasn't using it. I was looking at other people's stuff. Now I'm learning myself. But hell yeah, I appreciate all of you. Maybe I'll be live on TikTok tonight or Instagram. Appreciate all of you. Shout out to all of you. Big love. Thank you for all the super chats as well. Just know, the final message. If we go to 30K, 20K, if we go full on bear market stuff, the ones who stay through the bear market are the rich ones in the end of the game. Bear markets make you rich, or bull markets make you rich. Bear markets make you wealthy. Stay through the bear market. Don't fade away. If you fade away, this doesn't mean hold through the bear market, you idiot. I see one person putting a clown emoji. He definitely thinks I'm saying hold through the bear market. No, play the game. Play the game, right? Pay attention to the cycles. But the ones who stay involved with crypto through the bear, like you keep the info coming in, keep it all going in. Those are the people who come out on top in the end. But everybody, shout out to the Gold Squad. I love every single one of you. And goodbye, folks.